Hey there, ever feel like you're walking around in a mental cloud, struggling to focus, forgetting things, or just feeling off? That's what we call brain fog. It's more common than you might think. Today, we're diving into what causes brain fog and 10 simple, science-backed ways to lift that mental haze and get you thinking sharp again. Stick around because at the end of the video, I'll share one of the most overlooked tricks to clear your mind fast. It's something you can start doing right now. Before we start, if you are interested in these types of videos and if you are a new follower, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you don't miss more videos like this one. You can also let me know in the comments which tip you're going to try first. Alright, so what is brain fog really? Brain fog isn't an official medical condition, but it's a term people use when they feel mentally sluggish. It's kind of like your brain is running at half speed. You know, when you're reading something and have to reread it 3 times or you keep losing your train of thought, that's brain fog. Brain fog is linked to all kinds of things like stress, lack of sleep, diet, and even hormonal changes. We're going to look at each of these causes and I'll share some simple tips on how to combat them. Let's jump right in. Tip number 1, get moving. Exercise has a huge impact on brain health. In fact, studies show that physical activity can increase blood flow to the brain, which helps with focus and memory. In fact, a study published in Nature Reviews Neuroscience found that physical exercise can stimulate neurogenesis, or the growth of new brain cells. Even low-intensity activities like walking, yoga, or light stretching release endorphins, which can help reduce stress and improve mental clarity. So if you feel foggy, try taking a quick walk, dancing to a song, or doing some jumping jacks to jumpstart your brain. One study found that just a 10-minute walk boosted memory and focus almost immediately. So even if you're sitting at your desk, try standing up, stretching, or even taking a quick walk. Your brain will thank you. Tip number 2, sleep like your brain depends on it, because it does. Sleep is like a reset button for your brain. During sleep, your brain clears out waste, consolidates memories, and recharges for the next day. When you don't get enough sleep, this cleanup process is cut short, leading to memory lapses, poor concentration, and that groggy feeling. It's no wonder you're foggy. Research shows that adults need about 7 to 9 hours each night for optimal brain function. Here's a quick hack. Try sticking to a sleep schedule. A study in Nature Communications found that a single night of sleep deprivation reduces mental performance almost as much as being legally intoxicated. If you're struggling with brain fog, prioritize a sleep schedule. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day helps your body's internal clock regulate itself, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends, to help your brain find its rhythm. Tip number 3, stay hydrated. Drink 8 to 10 cups of water daily to stay sharp and alert. Did you know that even mild dehydration can mess with your focus and memory? Our brains are about 75% water, so if you're not drinking enough, your brain struggles to work efficiently. One study from the University of Connecticut showed that a drop as small as 1% in body water can impair mental functions, so keep that water bottle handy and sip throughout the day to keep your brain sharp. You can also boost your hydration by eating water-rich foods like cucumbers, watermelon, and oranges. Let's talk food. What you eat directly impacts how you think and feel. Foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids like salmon, walnuts, and chia seeds are known to support brain health. Studies show that omega-3s can improve memory and even protect against cognitive decline. Antioxidants found in berries, dark chocolate, and green leafy veggies also help by fighting off inflammation, which is a major cause of brain fog. If you're looking for a snack, try grabbing some blueberries and a handful of nuts. Tip number 5, practice mindfulness to manage stress. Stress is one of the biggest contributors to brain fog. When you're stressed, your body releases a hormone called cortisol. Small amounts are okay, but if you're stressed all the time, cortisol can mess with your ability to focus. One of the best ways to lower stress is through mindfulness. This can be as simple as deep breathing or practicing meditation. Studies show that just 5 to 10 minutes of mindfulness each day can reduce stress and improve focus. If you're feeling foggy, take a look at your screen time. Staring at screens for too long can strain your eyes and tire your mind. Research even shows that blue light from screens disrupts our sleep by interfering with melatonin production. If you're working or studying on a screen, try the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for at least 20 seconds. Your eyes and your brain will feel less strained. Tip number 7, take regular breaks. We've all been there, pushing through hours of work or study to get things done. But powering through actually decreases productivity. Taking short breaks can help your brain stay sharp and keep you focused longer. Research shows that taking breaks every 25 to 30 minutes helps people retain information and improves concentration. So next time you're working on a big task, try the Pomodoro technique. Work for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break and repeat. Did you know that socializing can be a brain-boosting activity? Believe it or not, socializing can be a brain-boosting activity. Studies show that interacting with others releases chemicals that improve brain function and mood. Social connections can actually slow down cognitive decline and help you think more clearly. Try making time to talk to a friend, have lunch with a colleague, or call a family member. Socializing reduces stress, and meaningful connections make a big difference in mental clarity, even helping to reduce the risk of brain fog as we age. So even if you're busy, try to make time to talk to a friend or loved one. Your brain will thank you. Here's a unique one: gratitude. Write 3 things you're thankful for daily. Keeping a gratitude journal or taking just a few minutes a day to note things you're grateful for can reduce stress and improve mental clarity. Studies show that gratitude helps you sleep better, boosts mood, and even strengthens cognitive functions. All it takes is a moment to reflect on things you're thankful for, and you're giving your brain a mini refresh. Tip number 10, try aromatherapy for a quick mental boost. Aromatherapy isn't just about nice smells. Certain essential oils like rosemary, peppermint, and lemon have been shown to improve mental clarity and focus. In fact, one study found that rosemary essential oil can boost memory by up to 75%. Just add a few drops of essential oil to a diffuser or smell it directly for a quick pick-me-up. And here's our bonus tip: try journaling. Writing down your thoughts, to-do lists, or even just jotting down what's on your mind can really help clear mental clutter. Studies show that journaling can reduce stress and improve focus. Plus, you might even come up with new ideas or solutions to problems as you write. All right, let's recap. We've talked about some powerful ways to combat brain fog. 1. Get moving with some exercise. 2. Prioritize sleep. Sleep like your brain depends on it, because it does. 3. Stay hydrated. Keep that water bottle close. 4. Eat brain-boosting foods like berries and nuts. 5. Practice mindfulness to manage stress. 6. Limit screen time and use the 20-20-20 rule. 7. Take regular breaks. Taking short breaks can help your brain stay sharp and keep you focused longer. 8. Socialize with friends and family. Socializing can be a brain-boosting activity. 9. Practice gratitude to boost mental clarity. 10. Try aromatherapy with essential oils. Don't forget about our bonus tip, journaling for a clear mind. And here's the thing, brain fog doesn't have to be your everyday norm. Try adding just 1 or 2 of these habits into your routine and see how it goes. Everyone's different, so find what works best for you. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you don't miss more videos like this one. You can also let me know in the comments which tip you're going to try first. Here's to a clearer, sharper mind. See you in the next video.